Mandaluyong City, hailed as the Tiger City of the Philippines and the shopping mall capital of the Philippines. Reasons why living in Mandaluyong City can be one of the best decisions you'll ever make in your life. It is a home of the business and shopping district. The local government of Mandaluyong City encourages its residents to live a healthy life through physical activities and healthy diet. Cradle of world-class accommodations like the Shangri-La, exceptional schools, and also this city is the city of condo living. Hello everyone! For today's house tour, I'm going to show you one of our newest projects here in Boni Avenue, Mandaluyong City, nearby Mandaluyong City Hall. Let's go! Pasukin po natin. Why invest in this property? Aside from its great location, we also have 24/7 security. This is our guardhouse. 24/7 po, may security guard tayo dito. And this is our mailbox, stainless mailbox. And before our guests can enter sa mga unit owners, we have intercom here. So the guest will dial first which unit siya guest, and each unit owners has a remote control to open our electronic gate, which is 3 meters height. It's a solid steel electronic gate. So let's go. Pasukin na natin ang unit. Aside from our 3 meters height steel gate, electronic steel gate, we also have CCTV around the area. Also there is the other CCTV. We also have electric fence sa napaka taas nating bakod. Perimeter fence. So, ayun, pasukin na po natin ang ating unit. This is our 2-car garage po. And this one is our main door. This is made of mahogany wood. We have here a keyless door lock. Ayun. And then going in our right side, this is a foyer. And going in our right side is the maid's room. And in our left side from the main door is the toilet and bath of maid's toilet and bath here. Okay. Yan po. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Our stairs are made also of mahogany wood, and the railings is made of steel. But here on the second floor, our railings is made of steel and tempered glass. Yan. So let's go inside. Bango. Here is our dining area. We also can switch this one if you like. So we can put this dining area there and the living area here. So here is for this one, they preferred na dito ilalagay ang dining area and the living area there. And we have this big sliding door going to a balcony outside for natural light and ventilation. But don't worry also because this in this area, or in this floor, second floor, this includes inverter split type aircon. So, yan, kasama na po yan sa i-turn over. And this breakfast nook with cabinet na din. Ang ganda ng mga cabinets niya. So, this one is included in a turnover. This one is not included, also this one. These high chairs are not included. But here in the kitchen, this cabinet is included, of course. And this range hood included, the cooktop is included, and this oven. And we have here, yan po, included po yan. And we have a double sink. And I love this one. Naglalaro ako. Ayan o, ganda. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Okay. Ayan. And at the back of this first floor, or I guess this was second floor, at the back here, this one is made of mahogany wood also. We have here our service area. Yeah, nice. So drying cage is there, and a fire exit also. Okay, so from the service area, on your right is the, come in, on your right is the powder room. From the service area, okay? And at the back of the kitchen. It's very nice, no? The tiles is also floor to ceiling, the accent, and all, and both sink, so it's complete fixture. Okay, and to our second floor. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Oh, this one is the for the ground floor, the first floor, oh yes, and the second floor. This one is the second floor. So going to the second floor, our railings is tempered glass and steel. And the stairs are made of mahogany wood, steel mahogany wood. And this stairs po is malawak siya, ma-wide. So it is approximately 1 meter yung stairs po natin. So here in the stairs, meron tayong glass, tempered glass here for natural light. So steel, we have steel and tempered glass. So accents, and here is we have the first master bedroom. So why first master bedroom pala? I'll just explain. Kasi this one is the second floor, right? So ground floor, first floor, second floor. Here, we're in the second floor. And the third floor, I'm going to show you also the second master's bedroom. So, yung couple or yung mother and father, sila nang pipili kung saang bedroom or master's bedroom sila mas comfortable na magstay. So, I'll show you the first master bedroom. This also includes inverter, split type aircon. So, this one is not included in the turnover. Only the cabinets. It's built-in cabinets lang. So, we're just giving you an idea na ganito yung magiging itsura ng inyong master's bedroom. But the turnover is bare. So, here is the walk-in closet. The modular cabinets, and it already has yung pang-hanger. So, here naman is the toilet and bath. It also has a complete fixtures with tempered glass na rin. And rain shower. Floor to ceiling height tiles. Floor to ceiling tiles. Let's go to the first room or the bedroom 1 po. So here is the bedroom 1. Ayan. So this one is not included, the bed. This room already has a cabinet. Ayan po. Napaka-smooth niya buksan. So modular, and then for hanger, and meron tayong drawer. Dalawa sa baba. Dito sa taas, ayan, cabinets pa din. Hindi ko na siya mabuksan. Medyo mataas na siya. So, yeah. Hindi rin to, itong mat and the bed is not included for the turnover. And here is the toilet and bath ng bedroom 1. It's the tempered glass and steel, and yan. Ganda ng ano niya, kasi yung black, gusto ko siya, black and white. Okay, nakalimutan ko pong ipakita sa inyo ang salamin sa toilet and bath doon sa ating master's bedroom. Ganito siya, same lang din. Yan, touch lang siya. Okay. So, ganda. So, on our 3rd floor, the 4th floor of this house is same the master's bedroom 2 and the bedroom 2. So, same naman din sila na steel, and then yung railings is steel, and yung tempered glass, and then the stairs are made of mahogany wood. So, sige, papakita na lang namin sa inyo, no? Ayun. Hindi ko na i-detail yung kung anong meron dito. So, yan. So, ito yung master's bedroom 2. Same din naman yung feature nito sa master's bedroom 1. And then, sliding yung door. Yun, hindi ko na pakita sa master's bedroom 1 pala. Na sliding door yung papunta sa glass to, tempered glass. Papunta sa walk-in closet. Yun lang. So, same with the other bedrooms. This includes sa turnover yung inverter, split type aircon, and then same with the other bedrooms that we have. Yun. Complete fixtures yung ating toilet and bath. Okay? So, pakita lang natin ng saglit ang ating bedroom 2. Kasi iba yung niya, pagka interior design niya sa bedroom 1. Ganda niya. Okay. Same lang din yung layout ng cabinet and the toilet and bath. Okay. We're done for our house tour. This has been your host, Jessa Handang, a licensed broker of H&H Real Estate Marketing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out whenever we upload new videos. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.